guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. If you're new here, I want to wish you a warm welcome, and I hope everyone is having a super blessed day. Now in today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for coconut sweet bread. This is going to be simply delicious, but before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? I just want you to consider doing so. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now let's jump right into it. Okay guys, now let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have some all-purpose flour, grated coconut, I have mixed fruit, and I'll be using some raisins. I also have some coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk. I'll be using cinnamon and nutmeg, vanilla extract, melted butter, eggs. I have salt and some baking powder. Let's get started. So I want to make this super simple and easy. So we'll combine all of the dry ingredients first, starting with our spices, baking powder, salt, and we'll add the coconut here. We'll mix the combine and set aside. Now we'll combine all of our wet ingredients, and I will be using sweetened condensed milk in place of sugar. But if you don't have sweetened condensed milk or you don't want to use it, you can simply add some sugar here. We will also be adding our dry fruit to the wet ingredients, and once everything is well combined, we will add our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and we will gently fold it in. You never want to overmix your batter, so as soon as it looks like everything is almost together, we will stop right there. Here I have a greased loaf pan with some parchment paper, and I will now add my batter to the pan. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once we've added the batter in here, we will go in with some of that mixed fruit and add it to the top of our batter. That will, just make it look nice and presentable, and it also lets people know what's inside of the bread. After we've done, we'll stick this in the oven and let it bake for about 1 hour. Well, mine took 1 hour, but it depends on your oven how long yours will take. What you want to do is stick it in the middle with a toothpick or a skewer, and if it comes out clean, that's how you know it's done. Once the bread is done, this is how it should be looking, nice and golden brown. And guys, it smells amazing. What we'll do now is go ahead and glaze the bread with a simple sugar water. I have added 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. And we will glaze this. It will look nice and shiny, and it will also have a nice sweetness to it. We will let it cool for about 10 minutes, and then we'll remove it from the pan and sit it on a cooling rack and allow it to cool completely before we slice into it. And now for the good part, guys, I will now slice the coconut bread and show you guys how it is on the inside. It is super moist on the inside and soft, but the outside is nice and crispy. And that's how you want your coconut sweet bread. You don't want it hard and dry. This is just perfect, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Look at how that bread is soft, guys. Oh my God. I could just go in right now and enjoy this with a glass of milk or a cup of coffee. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys make your sweetbread. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.